How do you go about implementing it in your factory? You can easily implement OEE by following these steps. Step 1. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve with OEE implementation. Step 2. Collect data. Ensure you have access to accurate data from your production process. Step 3. Analyze the data for insights. Step 4. Take action based on your data analysis to optimize your production processes. Step 5. Maintain and improve performance over time. To provide more details about each step. Step 1. Consider past performance. Evaluate your historical data to understand your current operational performance and identify areas for improvement. This analysis will provide valuable insights into where OEE can be most effectively implemented. Set realistic OEE targets. Based on your analysis of past performance, establish achievable OEE targets that align with your business objectives and reflect your organization's capabilities. These targets will serve as benchmarks to measure the success of your OEE implementation efforts. Plan your implementation, starting with a pilot line. Begin by selecting a pilot production line where you can test and refine your OEE implementation strategy before scaling it up to other areas of your operation. This phased approach allows for smoother integration and minimizes potential disruptions to production. Step 2. Collect data using sensors and automation tools, and deploy an application to enable operators to identify downtime causes. Utilize a scalable application that can seamlessly connect to your infrastructure and software. Alternatively, set up a production tracking procedure at your workstations to enable operators to collect data, which can then be transferred to your application. For more information, check out the link in the description. Step 3. Create advanced analysis reports tailored to user roles, including operators and managers, to calculate your OEE for your plant and each machine. Pareto reports are essential for analyzing the main causes of downtime and scrap. These reports will enable you to monitor your production performance over time. Additionally, you can set up notifications for losses to proactively address issues and optimize efficiency. Step 4. Implement improvement actions focusing on the main causes of downtime and scraps to achieve the best results. Utilize the insights gained from your analysis to develop targeted strategies for optimizing production efficiency and minimizing losses. Step 5. Regularly review performance metrics and feedback from operators to identify areas for further improvement. Adjust strategies and processes as needed to optimize efficiency and maintain high levels of productivity. In conclusion, implementing overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, brings various benefits and has become essential for today's competitive industries. However, it requires a solid plan and strategies for implementation, as well as overcoming challenges like operator engagement.